The term root canal refers to cleaning the canals inside a tooth's root. It is intended to remove bacteria from the infected root canal while preserving the natural tooth. When the canal inside your tooth becomes inflamed or infected due to deep decay, it causes pain and can lead to an abscess. When you have a root canal treatment, the infected pulp is removed, and the inside of the tooth is carefully cleaned and disinfected. Then it is filled and sealed with gutta-percha, a rubber-like material. Following that, the tooth is protected with a crown or filling.